Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Vite is a modern build tool that significantly improves the development experience for front-end projects, especially with frameworks like React. In this tutorial, we'll walk through setting up a new React project using Vite, exploring the basic structure, and creating a simple application. Vite React Beginner Tutorial. Prerequisites. Node.js, make sure you have Node.js installed, version 12 or higher. You can download it from nodejs.org, https://nodejs.org. Step 1. Create a new Vite project. 1. Open your terminal or command prompt. 2. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. 3. Run the following command to create a new Vite project with React. Bash npm create Vite at latest my-vite-react-app template React. Here, my-vite-react-app is the name of your project. You can replace it with your preferred name. 4. Navigate into your project directory. Bash cd my-vite-react-app. Step 2. Install dependencies. Inside your project directory, install the necessary dependencies by running bash npm install. Step 3. Start the development server. To start the development server, run bash npm run dev. This command will start the Vite development server. You should see output indicating the server is running, typically at http://localhost 5173. Open this URL in your web browser. Step 4. Project Structure Overview. Your newly created Vite React project has a basic structure that looks like this. my-vite-react-app. Node_modules. Public. src. app.jsx. main.jsx. index.css. index.html. package.json. vite.config.js. src/. This folder contains your application code. app.jsx, the main component of your application. main.jsx, the entry point of your React application. Public/. This folder is for static assets. index.html, the main HTML file of your application. vite.config.js, Vite configuration file. Step 5. Modify the app component. Let's modify the app.jsx file to create a simple React application. Open src/app.jsx and replace its content with the following. JSX. Import React from React. Import/index.css. const app equals return. div class name equals app. h1 Welcome to my-vite-react-app/h1. This is a simple application built with Vite and React, /p. /div. Export default app. Step 6. Add some styles. You can add some basic styles to make your application look nicer. Open src/index.css and add the following CSS. CSS. Body. Font family, Arial, sans serif. Background color, F5 F5 F5. Margin, 0. Padding, 0. App. Text align, center. Padding, 20 px. H1. Color, 333. P. Color, 666. Step 7. Test your application. After saving your changes, your development server should automatically reload the page, and you should see your updated application in the browser. If not, you can refresh the page manually. Step 8, build for production. When you're ready to deploy your application, you can create a production build by running bash npm run build. Vite will create a dist directory with optimized files for your application. Step 9, preview the production build. To preview your production build locally, you can run bash npm run preview. This will start a local server to serve your build application. Conclusion: you've successfully set up a simple React application using Vite. Vite provides a fast and modern development experience, and you'll find it helpful as you build larger applications. From here, you can explore features like routing, state management, and API calls to enhance your React application. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further assistance. Certainly. Vite is a modern build tool that provides a fast development experience for web applications, particularly with frameworks like React. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of setting up a React project using Vite, along with some essential concepts and a simple example. Getting started with Vite and React. Step 1, Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed: Node.js, version 12 or later. npm comes with Node.js. You can check if you have them installed by running bash node v npm v. Step 2, creating a new Vite project. 1. Create a new project. Open your terminal and run the following command to scaffold a new Vite project with React. Bash npm create Vite at latest my-React-app template React. Replace my-React-app with your desired project name. To navigate to the project directory, bash cd my-React-app. 3. Install dependencies. Run the following command to install the necessary dependencies. Bash npm install. Step 3, running the development server. You can now start the Vite development server with the following command. Bash npm run dev. After running the command, open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 5173. You should see the default Vite plus React welcome page. Step 4, project structure. Here's a brief overview of the project structure. my-React-app / node_modules / public / src / app.jsx main.jsx index.html package.json vite.config.js src / this is where your React components and application logic will reside. Index.html, the main HTML file for your application. Vite.config.js, configuration file for Vite. Step 5, modifying the app component. Let's edit the src / app.jsx file to create a simple counter application. Open src / app.jsx and replace its content with the following code. JSX. Import React, uses state from React. Function app. Const count, set count equals uses state, 0. Return. div style equals text align, center, margin top, 50 px. h1 counter app / h1. pu clicked count time / p. Button on click equals set count, count plus 1. Click me. / button. Button on click equals set count, 0. Reset. / button. / div. Export default app. Step 6, save and check your changes. After making these changes, save the file. The Vite development server supports hot module replacement, so your changes should automatically reflect in the browser without needing to refresh. Step 7. Building the application for production. When you're ready to deploy your application, you can build it for production using the following command: bash npm run build. This command will create an optimized build of your application in the dist directory. Step 8. Previewing the production build. To preview the production build, you can run bash npm run serve. This will serve the static files, and you can view your production-ready application. Conclusion: you now have a basic React application set up using Vite. From here, you can start adding more components, routes, and state management as you build your application. Additional resources: Vite documentation, https://vitejs.dev. React documentation, https://reactjs.org/docs/getting-started.html. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further clarifications. Happy coding!